Let me double check. Okay, so I want you to find one of your drawings or animations or something, and then I want you to say like how big your sticker is gonna be. Okay, so start out with how big your sticker is gonna be. So I'm gonna say my sticker is gonna be like 4 inch. So I'm gonna go to print. I'm gonna go to letter, and I'm gonna change this to like, I think three and a half by 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. I recently made a design for the teachers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this in. And as you can see, like the cool thing about the machine that I'm going to go do this on is that it can cut your sticker for you. So like it's not going to be just like a square because that's kind of lame. It can actually cut like the edges too, okay? So what you want to do is you want to tell me what that edge is going to be, okay? So you're going to have your design, okay? And then if you can copy it and just do color overlay or however, and then just tell me like, I just think it's simple if you do color overlay black, and then you have like a stroke like that represents like where the cut should be. Okay, so this is going to represent where the cut's going to be. Does that make sense? And the way all I did again was just color overlay, and then I did stroke. One thing is like the cut itself, it can't be too complicated. If it's complicated, it's not going to work. Okay. So the sticker, like I said, it's gonna look like this. When I cut it and give it to you, it's gonna look like this. Okay, so go ahead and just do that. Make your drawing on one. So all I need is a file that looks like this. Okay, it should be a stroke, the cutout on the back with black, like that, and then on the top it should be the actual design. Alright, so to finish, all you have to do is just go File and Save as Photoshop, okay? And you want to save as PSD, and you want to turn this in, the PSD in, okay?